Cabin overheat protection, or SCOP-P, in your Tesla Model 3 prevents the interior from getting excessively hot when the vehicle is parked. If it's not working, there are a few common reasons this could happen. First, the feature might be disabled in your settings. Second, a sensor could be malfunctioning. Third, the software might be outdated. We will cover all these scenarios and how to fix them in the following sections. First, check your COP settings on the touchscreen. Go to Controls, greater than Climate, greater than Cabin Overheat Protection. Ensure the feature is enabled and set to your preferred temperature threshold. The default is 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Also, verify your alert preferences are correctly configured so you receive warnings if temperatures rise dangerously. Options include in-app notifications, email, or SMS. Sometimes, simply toggling the setting off and on again can resolve minor glitches. Cabin overheat protection relies on several sensors to function properly. These include cabin air temperature sensors, ambient temperature sensors, and battery temperature sensors. The ambient temperature sensor, located on the front bumper, is particularly susceptible to dirt and debris. This can interfere with accurate temperature readings. To ensure accurate readings, gently clean the sensor with a soft cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. A faulty sensor can prevent cabin overheat protection from activating properly. If the sensor appears damaged or cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, replacement may be necessary. In some cases, sensor replacement might be necessary, especially if the vehicle was manufactured between 2018 and 2023 and hasn't undergone the NHTSA recall 25V123. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that improve COP reliability. Ensure your Model 3 is running the latest software version with v13.1 or later recommended. These updates often include enhanced sensor calibration and real-time weather data integration. To update, connect your car to Wi-Fi and check for updates in the software section of the touchscreen. According to Tesla's internal metrics, the full self-driving supervised v13.1 update fixed 78% of reported COP malfunctions. A simple power cycle can often resolve cabin overheat protection issues by resetting the vehicle's systems. Start by ensuring all doors, windows, and the trunk are fully closed. This seals the vehicle and allows the system to enter a reset state. Next, wait 10 to 15 minutes without interacting with the vehicle. This waiting period allows the electronic systems to fully reset and recalibrate the sensors. After the waiting period, check if the cabin overheat protection is functioning correctly. You can verify this through the Tesla app or by testing the vehicle's response when opening doors. Remember, this power cycle consumes minimal battery power and is a safe first step for troubleshooting temporary COP glitches. Understanding COP-P's limitations is essential for proper function. CCOP only activates when the vehicle is locked and parked, not while driving. This ensures safety by focusing on parked scenarios where overheating is most likely. COP consumes battery power to run the air conditioning, using about 1 to 2% of battery charge per hour. This is necessary to cool the cabin, but requires careful energy management. If the battery level is low, CHOP will automatically disable to preserve charge for essential vehicle functions. Maintain your battery above the minimum threshold to ensure COP can protect your vehicle when needed. Let's say you're in Arizona and your Model 3's interior is 115 degrees Fahrenheit, but COP isn't activating. First, double-check your settings and clean the ambient sensor. Then, update to the latest software. A Reddit user reported that these steps resolve their CHOP issues, also saving battery life. If problems persist after these steps, it might indicate a more serious issue. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the cabin overheat protection is still not working, it's time to contact Tesla support. There might be an underlying hardware issue or a more complex software bug that requires professional diagnosis. Keep detailed records of all the troubleshooting steps you've taken to provide to Tesla support. This will help them diagnose the issue more efficiently. Tesla support can remotely diagnose the system or schedule a service appointment at an authorized center. They may perform software updates or hardware repairs as needed. Always consult Tesla's official manual or a certified technician to avoid voiding your vehicle warranty. Professional assistance ensures the issue is resolved safely and correctly.